Hi folks, Jay with American Pirates Capital Group here, going over napkin math for investors. This week we're going to cover simplified weighted average cost of capital. So what is the weighted average cost of capital? This is used by major corporate firms to determine the minimum required return on investment to committing to a project. It essentially incorporates all equity and debt structures, including tax implications involved in raising capital to invest in a project for future cash flows. And I think this concept applies directly to any investments, but specifically real estate investments. So all we really need to know is, what do we need to beat? So I want any investment to beat inflation. Otherwise, the value of our dollars are becoming less and less and less. So we're going to add CPI data, the risk-free rate, which is treasury notes and bills. 100% if I invest X dollars, I will get X return. I need to beat that. And then a risk premium for undertaking more risk than the risk-free rate. So that is industry specific, and understanding the volatility of what industry it is will give you that number. So today's numbers look like this for me, and they can change for you based off of your individual risk tolerance. But the CPI data that was released the day before yesterday is 3.09%. The risk-free rate as of this video on the 1-month treasury bill is 5.37%. And then the risk premium that I utilize for real estate, again, because it's more volatile of an industry than that 100% guaranteed risk-free rate, I use 3%. Added together, it comes up to 11.46%. So what that number tells me is, if I were to go hunting right now for a property on Zillow or Redfin, and I'm scouring the market for the best deal, whatever the cash-on-cash return on investment from my napkin math off of the cash flows has to be bigger or greater than 11.46% to be a reasonable and responsible investment for our family's money. Hopefully this video has been very helpful. If you guys can think of any way I can make it better, or have any specific topics you'd like to see me cover in the future, please reach out at any point at piratescapital@outlook.com.